Alright, cardboard fans. It's the final day of Abyss, Rage, Shark Week stuff. We got 8 packs open now. If there's not a QCR in one of those, I'm going to pause and open up another one. And if there's not in that, and so on and so forth. Or Molcharmy. It doesn't have to be a QC. If it's Molcharmy, I don't care which one. Chaos Star Source. Ruby Sapphirus. I really do like the art on that one. Union Pilot. That one too. Primate Howl. Max Metal Morph. Anarchist Monk. Azamina. And Succumbing Song. That's my second of those. I'm gonna ruin my little set here trying to do this. Abyss Sting. Zoa. Double Assault. Butterfly Fish. Armored Shark. I freaking love it. I love the name. I love the guilt of the sinful spoils. The art. Everything about that one. My Dumb Sisters. A bow, and as a main Moa. I think that's another one of those. Next set of cards: Aquajet Surface, Time Engine, Sanguine Furrow, L. Maggie Murgy, as a mean of determination, Insect Invitation, the Flipping Feline. Is that just Rescue Cat without a hat? That's the question of the day. QQ Big Dragon Boy. And Goblin Bikers Gone Wild. Pretty sure I pulled one of those before and sold it. So, just get everything except what I want. Mimigool Fork. Newbie. Heavy Cavalry. Insects. Release Brainwashing. Manta Man, the Ultra Human, Valmonica, Token Support, Reincarnation, and Azamina Debtors. Puro. Battle Wasp Wind, Battle Wasp Rapier, Sanguine Furrow, Reincarnation, Armored Shark. Goblin Biker Grand Crisis, QQ, and Scourge of the White Forest. Pretty sure I have 2 of those now, too. Wisteria, Zoa, Double Assault, Time Engine, Guilt, Token, Summer School, Battle Wasp, and Metal Illusionist. Second to those. See how it's gonna be? Well, of course, right? That's how it always is. I just haven't Ruby Sapphirus done this much yet. Mega Murgy, Brainwashing, Rebellion, Insect Invitation, Primate Hell, My Dumb Sister, Metal Morph, and oh heck yeah. I mean, for me, it's not really that exciting, but my second Rescue Hedgehog. Yeah. I love that little guy. Rebellion. The Wind of the Wasp. Dotan. Newbie. Never Ending Nightmare Absorber. Poseidon Splash. Chaos Allure Queen. The Cat. And Centurion, Primera Primus. Well, I didn't see a QCR or a Melcharmy, so I'm going to pause and I'll be back with another one. Hail Maggie Murgy, Battle Wasp Wind, Dotan, Chaos Star Source Dragon, QQ, Ball Boy, Puppet Shark, Token Support, and Primite drill beam. Oh, we'll do it again. Pause and coming back. We're back with this weird thing. Now you tell me, do I have a problem? Mimighoul fork. Is this some kind of addiction? Newbie. I don't know. Release brainwashing. Valmonica. A bow. Howl. Man to man. And Hallowed Azamina. Second one of those. Alright. Be right back. Wisteria. Virtue Stream. Ruby Sapphirus. Dotan. Anarchist Monk. Puppet Shark. Flipping Feline. QQ. And Liverchu. 3 more. Alright. Wrong hands. Maggie Murgy. Azamina. Billion. Puru. Male. Splash. Azamina Determination. A sister. Another copy. Mimighoul Slime. Hate slimes. Alright, be right back. Oh, Heavy Cavalry. Release Brainwashing. Union Pilot. Abyss. Mimighoul Armor. Armored Shark. Guilt. Chaos Allure Queen. And Primite Roar. Alright, we're down to the last pack, guys. What are we gonna do? If we don't get it, are we gonna cry about it? Maybe. Be right back. If this is a sign... Ugh. Sanguine. Newbie. Zoa. Goblin Biker. Supply Soldier. Schoolwork. Ball Lancer. And what the crap is even that? Splitting Planarian? I don't know what that is. Telling me I didn't get a QCR in that one? I didn't get anything good, did I? All those packs, and like the best thing that I know of that I got is the freaking Hedgehog. Wow. I mean, I guess Lavirtue Dragon. Lavirtue Dragon and Hedgehog. The rest of it's kind of just, I don't know. Maybe that one. I don't know. I don't know anything about them. I just know they're shiny, but none of them are secret, and that makes me sad. So I'm probably might have to get some tins after this to make up for that disappointment of extra shininess. Yeah, at least do something until that. What is it? The Bonanza? Yeah, I want that Bonanza. So subscribe for the coming Bonanza. We'll have something to open tomorrow, so come back tomorrow. Enjoy. Rescue Hedgehog.